Okay, we now open the controller. We first, so now you can see the lever is operate. If you want to let the robot go home, also can do it here, because in the teaching also can do the to home, because you can see the here the joint position. The joint 1 is X, joint 2 is Y, joint 3 is Z, U. We can change the lever. We click here, click our brand name, then choose the system. The password here is 44. If we want to change the machinery, choose the 3343. Okay, cancel. We choose the system, then choose the 1, 2, 3, 4. Please OK. Here you change the system, right? Then we do later because when we send use the robot, the robot not at home. We must let the robot go to home, go to the 0 position. How to click this button. Oh, choose cancel. Then choose this button. Then this to the calibrate. We do it. We can change the speed. Here is the speed. Then choose the calibrate. Also can change the master to finished. Then change the speed. We choose the 18%. We choose the calibrate. Okay. We now see the robot is at the 000, right? And now is learn how to learn when you receive the robot, how to let the all exercise go to the 0 position. Go home. Yes, we next do another.